Hi everyone. So today we will learn how to install Node JS in your system. As you can see, currently I am on nodejs.org website. Simply click on this download Node JS. You can see it got downloaded. Simply click on this. Click next. Accept the terms. Click next. You can change the location of installation, but I will leave it to default. So here you can see we are installing Node JS as well as NPM package manager. Simply click next. Also check this to automatically install necessary tools. Click install. Click finish. Close this window. Now to verify if a Node.js has been installed properly or not, you can go to your command prompt window. In my case, I'm using Gitbash. So in the Gitbash, you can simply type node-v to check the version. So that's the version. Also check for the NPM. So it is installed. You can also do the same with the Visual Studio Code. Simply close this window. Go to VS Code. Here, go to View, Terminal, and here you can type same thing, node-v. Also for npm-v. So this concludes that we have installed Node as well as npm package manager. I hope you got the point how it actually works. See you in the next video. Have a nice day.